How many of you remember that when we were kids, most of our questions are unanswered? When we ask so many questions, we want to our parents or teachers or whomever we meet, we have with a lot of enthusiasm, we are asking so many questions. We want to know so many things, but most of our questions are unheard. Later stage, as a kid, we are pushed to an education system which already pre-framed, and we are fed with knowledge, whether we like it or not, or enjoy it or not. We are forced to learn those things. Our kids also have no much difference. The situation has not changed much. Today's education system is broken, so the employment system also. Hardly any life skills are taught there. I'm grateful to my mentor, Siddharth Rajshekhar, and a community called Internet Lifesite Hub is to transform and redefine the education system and employment system from the present stage. Is the most important activity that we do in our life, whether you formally learn or informally learn or consciously learn or unknowingly learn, but we have to learn lifelong. How many of you think that we are a lifelong learner? If you are a lifelong learner, please type in your comment box, you are a lifelong learner. Everybody must be a lifelong learner. So today we will be talking about the two important aspects of learning. What is these two important aspects? One is that what we have to learn. The second one is that how we have to learn. This is a very important aspects. For giving you more information regarding that, I just want to share I will just share the screen of the mind map. Okay, this one is how to learn and what to learn. That is the two important aspects of learning: what to learn and how to learn. So first we will see what to learn. So there is these 4 points I just want to mention. This is 4 pointers like that. What we have to learn. First point is that you must learn something useful. Okay. So why? Because learning and not using is equal to not learning. So learn that you can use. That is the first point. The second pointer just I got from my mentor, Siddharth Rajshekhar. There should be 5 P's. One is passion, one is the problem solving capacity, other one is the persona, the people to take it, and the potential, there is demand for the topic, and also payment. People should be ready to pay for that. So this is 5 aspects we have to think when we selecting as topics to learn. Passion, you enjoy the subject to learn, you have a lot of interest for that. That is a passionate subject topic to you. So you must select that one. And second one, that particular subject have some problem solving capacity. It should be solving some of the problems. So that is the second point. And there should be takers for that particular knowledge. And there is a potential demand for that knowledge. And also there should be people should ready to pay. With an example, if I want to mention, if you are an automobile engineer, I want to tell somebody who want to learn about the topics you want to take is automobile related, automobile engineering. Or if you go to a micro niche, we can tell that I am a scooter repairing. That is your topic you want to take. So in that is you are very interested to repair the two-wheeler scooter, what we call it. And there is a problem solving. If you have the knowledge, then you know that there is so many scooters getting breakdown, then you can go and repair it. That's why it's solve the problems. And persona, that there is many people using the particular scooters. So you have many people. So you have that persona who are using this scooter is your persona. Okay, then you have the potential. This scooter is regularly getting repaired, so much of problems coming up. So you have to see that this is also a lot of demand for that. That is the potential market is available, and also payment. Also, people are ready to pay for that if you are going to repair it. This is the way we have to analyze. You can take a topic and analyze it. Okay, so you have to see, you have to fulfill all these 5P, then that topic will be a good topic to select and learn. Then the third point is that freedom cycle. I call it here because if you learn some subject, that topic, you can create some product out of it, or you have the creativity, you have the capacity to give a wonderful service, whether it is product or service. It has some value. That value will definitely will give you the money, and that money so automatically give you can help you to solve many problems. So you have a lot of time and you have a lot of freedom in life. Then again, you have a more creative side will come upon you. So you will start creating more creative and valuable objects or services. Then definitely money will come. Then again, you have a lot of freedom and creativity. So this cycle goes up like a flywheel effect. It goes up, and this will enhance your life. This is the freedom cycle, what I call it that. And the money can solve many problems that money brings in. Not money brings in, not having money brings in. Because if you don't have the money, you you have a lot of problems. That those problems can only solve by the money only. Okay, so you have better to have um, this kind of orientation while you select a topic to learn. And the fourth point is one of the important point, that you have to focus on a particular topic. So you have to talk, if you are selecting a topic, you have to take a topic for your lifelong. So some people may be thinking that it may be irrelevant the topics for with time. So don't worry that you are in a constant learning. You know when you have to take the turn and upgrade yourself for the better things. So definitely you will be in the right path. So important thing is that you have to follow up and focus on particular topic and in your lifelong, so you will become expert on that. See, now Bruce Lee commented like this. He separated an enemy, a competitor who practiced one kick thousands times than a person who practiced 1,000 kicks one time each. So you can understand what's the impact. If somebody is practicing a topic for many years compared to a person who put their hand in different topics for small period, who know who is going to win, who is the have the better life ahead. So that is the point in this, that you better to select a single topic and focus on working it. You can create different levels and aspects in that in your life. Okay, so that is what all about what topics you have to select, and what topics you have to select for learning. And next we will see how the learning should be there. So I have going to give 6 pointers on this. One is that the learning should be like that. It will bring you expertise in you, not just an exposure. When you go to college and learn, do some experiments, and you get some exposure to some technology, some knowledge, or some information. But when you go and apply it in your workspace or yourself as a self-employed, you get some experience. And if you go deep into that and gain more knowledge, there you can bring new aspects of that knowledge. You can teach the people about this. You can give consultancy on the aspect. You can multiple revenue you can create from that knowledge. You become an expert in that. So you have to look for an expertise level of learning. So you have to learn to become an expertise. Okay, that is the first point. The second point is that you should be ready to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Every time, whatever you learn, you should be get into your mind, analyze it, keep whatever is there inside. Then suddenly you can also unlearn that, and you can start relearn. So because you will get a new aspects of the same textbook. If you are reading, if you are second times you will relearn it, you will get better aspect, better learning you will be there. So everywhere it is applicable like that. If many people are thinking that you just learn something, they are super in that, they are not ready to unlearn those knowledge what is there in their head, and to try and relearn it to get a better perspective on that knowledge. So this second point also very important, how you have to learn. And the third point, it's very common in colleges and schools teach how you have to learn books or the material, that you have to some survey first. Whatever if you have take a book first, a survey, go have a glance through that, and also create some questions like from some words or some sentence. You feel some, okay, what is that? What is it going to talk about? What so that questions will really help you to make you better and understand better when you read it, and then again you recite it and then review it. So this is the method that you can use to learn any book or the material. So, and the fourth point is that is the inquiry type. You have always an inquiry type mind, in where you have always some questions. What is this question? How this is manufactured? How, particularly regarding to the topics you are selected. So then you become an expert, and so you can go more deep into that. So those questions we must get answer. So for that you can refer books, go to your teacher, or and go to the internet. You can search it and gather the informations and organize it and interpret it and analyze it and evaluate and get to a conclusions what to communicate as an answer. So this is also a fabulous method to learn. Okay. And the fourth one is that the mind map. Mind map is the way that you must learn, so that it will embedded no engraved in your mind, like, because normally what we do is that a linear note taking in normally in your classes in schools and colleges. We when lecture teacher teaches us, then we will start writing from left to right in a long sentences. At the end we don't have time to read it also. So when you get some information, if you want to summarize some knowledge, you group it into different uh, group that knowledge into a different, okay, this is this particular things grouped into this related things. You can group that knowledge. And reflective, it should reflect to our mind that, okay, we can place this knowledge here, this knowledge here, this knowledge here, like that. We have give a mind's reflection into that learning. And it should be a connected things. Okay, knowledge should be a connected, actually, this knowledge, how it is going to connect with this group of knowledge, this group of knowledge, how it is going to collect. So you can give a non-verbal representation and pictorial representation, so that you can easily understand how it is connected together, what all things are grouped, it register in your mind better. And also we can give some directional flow, like that this knowledge is connected to this information flow from this to this place. So you can show some flow. And also you can highlight some knowledge by the give an emphasizing effect. Okay, this is most important. So if you highlight that particular words or this thing, then so this, like this way you can create a mind map, so that you can have a better learning. So you can learn the mind map. And the last and the most important point is that you must learn something from one who use that knowledge or apply that knowledge or teaches someone to earn from that knowledge. Because suppose you want to learn photography, whether you will go to an institute and learn, and or you will go to somebody who is that expert in that photography, who is using that knowledge, earning from that knowledge, he is ready to give the mentorship to you, ready to be a mentor of you. So definitely it will be better to go to that mentor and learn from him. So that is the way we have to select to learn the things. So now the education system is going in that way to create a lot of mentors who can specifically teach you and teach you so that you can learn and do or apply it and earn that knowledge. Hope that this information is going to be very useful to you people. That's about me. I am Pradeep Kumar KP. I am CNC router success coach. I am here to help more than 100,000 of people who have no proper guidance how to start a new business based on CNC router machine, and also for those people who have already invested in CNC router machine and stuck with problems in running and scaling of the business. If you want to know more about the CNC router machine or about my activities in this field, you may also visit the website. That link is given in the comment below the video. Also, I will request you to subscribe this YouTube channel, also to give a like, comment, and also I want your valuable comments on this particular topics and your value addition into it. So it will give a lot of encouragement for me to produce this kind of videos. Till the time we meet again, thank you very much. All the best.